these are the stalwarts of the Alforno team po. Winner of Tuk Tuk Saigon coupon. Congratulations! My friend, dito po. Post-game po tayo yun. Better will stick to. Excuse me. Who's the team owner po na Alforno? Yung team owner. Team owner.
Team owner, this guy.
This guy?
Yeah.
Chaco?
No. Type.
Type. Okay, we're here right now. Type, their team owner. Wait. We're here now, team owner. Alforno team, congratulations, a dominant performance by your team always.
Thank you.
Any word for sir by your team, sir? Any word for your teammates po?
Sorry.
Any word for your teammates?
Any?
Word. A word for your teammates po. Okay.
Yeah, our team is just 6 months. We formed the team 6 months only. This is our third Philippine tournament, and also I'm congratulating the PSPQ team.
Yeah, thank you.
Inviting to us for this big tournament.
Okay.
And also I'm congratulating Mr. JB also. That's all.
Okay. And Alforno stands for what? Furnitures?
Alforno is a brand name of the frozen pizza.
Frozen pizza.
It is available in the Almeida, Lulu,
Okay.
everywhere it is there. So
Okay.
in my way, go and take pizza and.
So that's why it's safe to say na Alforno Italian Masters. Okay.
Alforno is best.
Okay. Now, sir, any word now, what to expect now for the team on the next game? Next game, Sukam.
Next game for the preparation.
Yeah.
Next game we will go for practice. Tomorrow onwards, our players will be in the ground for the practice. And also my boy, Mr. J, he's
Okay.
he's the coach of the team.
Coach of the team,
Yeah,
playing coach, playing coach, okay.
I'm playing coach actually, so he's the main coach.
Main coach,
He
okay.
is preparing our team for long 8 months. He's coaching our team
Okay.
very much.
And even though you said you get formed 6 months, but still, as if you're playing already for a very long time. Yeah, because please compress that. Thank you.
Yeah, it's almost compromised of all the players already we got from outside India.
Okay.
And then we had already coordination where we are playing in the all tournaments, and we got our players and we used to practice and teamwork. We are coordinating our players and making a better team also.
Okay, that's Team Alforno. Okay, sir, for the final word, sir, a word for your loved ones, supporters, of course. Sige, sir. 1 minute, sir, to greet them.
We should really thank first of all our Alforno management who are really behind the bar
Okay, good.
to make this team successful, and huge shout out for the BSPQ, and you guys really amazing. You guys gave us a chance,
Okay.
and we hopefully wanted to play more games and win more games. Thank you.
Okay, that's Team Alforno. A dominant performance by Team Alforno. Congratulations and see you again for the next game.
Thank you.
3, 2.